Hello students, now let us see one problem based on the electron gain enthalpy. The little confusing problem, student. What the problem is, which of the following pairs of elements would have the more negative electron gain enthalpy? So that is fluorine and chlorine is given, and they are saying that is which have the more negative electron gain enthalpy. More negative electron gain enthalpy. So student, that we have to more negative electron gain enthalpy, you say, or that is also you can say more electron gain enthalpy. So that is, don't get confused between the more negative or that is negative electron gain enthalpy. Here is the answer is there, student. Chlorine has more negative electron gain enthalpy, more negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. Okay, so if you talk about the chlorine and fluorine, student, okay, so they if you are talking about their electron gain enthalpy of fluorine and chlorine, so fluorine is having minus 327 kilojoule per mole. When you are talking about the chlorine, student, it is minus 348.3 kilojoule per mole. Okay, it means that is chlorine is having the more negative electron gain enthalpy. Now let us read out the statement. Chlorine has more negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. The less negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is due to its very small size, okay, which has a strong electron repulsion. Therefore, fluorine has tendency to fluorine has less tendency to accept electron, and its electron gain enthalpy is less negative than chlorine. So I hope that you will be able to understand, student, what is meaning of that. That is, fluorine has a small size, fluorine has a small size, right? So that is more electron repulsion, more electron repulsion, that is less negative, electron gain enthalpy, less negative electron gain enthalpy, right, student? Less negative electron gain enthalpy. So this is again you read out, student. Chlorine has more negative electron gain enthalpy. Why it is, student? Chlorine, if you talk about the larger size, larger size means no repulsion, okay, no repulsion between electron and electron. No repulsion, either you say that is no repulsion, or you can say that is more profound word we can use, that is less repulsion. Okay, better you can write that is less repulsion between electron and electron. So what is going to happen, student? So electron gain enthalpy is more negative. Electron gain enthalpy is more negative. More negative. So here again you can read out, chlorine has more negative electron gain enthalpy than chlorine. Chlorine has more negative electron gain enthalpy than fluorine. The less negative electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is due to its small size, which has a strong electron repulsion. So student, if the size of the fluorine is very small, okay, so very small means if you are adding the electron, so there will be the repulsion will be high. Why repulsion is high, student? Because of its small size. So small size, student, is implies small size means more repulsion, more repulsion, right? So here you see a small size which has a strong electron repulsion. Therefore fluorine has less tendency to accept electron, and its electron gain enthalpy is less negative than chlorine. Thank you so much for watching.